Are you ready to turn your years of experience into recognized qualifications? At 3CIR, our recognition of prior learning assessment form makes it simple and efficient. RPL acknowledges your skills and knowledge gained through work, volunteering, or life experiences, helping you achieve certifications without starting from scratch. Here's how it works. Visit our RPL Assessment Form page on 3cr.com. Fill in your details, including your background and desired qualification. Then, upload evidence to support your application. Think resumes detailing your roles, reference letters from employers, certificates from short courses, or even photos of your work projects, like completed reports or team leadership examples. Our expert assessors review everything promptly, mapping your evidence to national standards. If gaps exist, we'll guide you on bridging them. The result? Faster qualifications, career boosts, and saved time and money. Don't wait. Head to 3CIR.com today, complete the form, and step into your future. Your expertise deserves recognition.